click on first you did the analysis, run analysis tab, and done. Now you click on the foundation design. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Finish. This is your foundation window. Now see, yesterday we done a foundation design of isolated footing. We have here isolated footing, right? Now
Yes.
go to the job setup and choose delete job. Choose isolated and delete the job. Yes. Okay, dear. The setup is on. Now you have to create a new setup for the file cap. Give the job name as file and choose here as file cap, and design code is Indian, and this is your SI unit, and include all the nodes here and create a what? Create job. So here we have a file cap job. Click on the file cap job. Click on the design parameters. This is all about the design parameters. What type of design parameters are? Strength of concrete, unit weight of concrete, yield strength of steel, side cover, bottom cover, pile in the pile cap, and you choose one like this 1000 meter, and the initial thickness. This is your minimum bar size, or this is your maximum bar size. Okay, dear.
Okay.
Now go to the file layout. This is your file layout. So choose file layout is on here. We have for file arrangement for the support one. We have to assign file for each and every node. Sorry, each and every support. So this is the file capacity. This is the load beared by the file. 100 kilonewton in the lateral, vertical is 500, and uplift is 300 in kilonewton. This is the file diameter. This is the file diameter. This is the file spacing between the two files. Spacing between the two files. And this is the edge distance from the your slab. Right? Now click on the calculate. We have different types of file arrangement. Minimum file arrangement is 2. We have 2 file arrangement. In case 1 is the horizontal, and in case 2 we have the vertical. So for node 1, for support 1, we choose the case 2. Click on OK. Okay.
Okay.
Now change the support as 2, right?
Yes.
And click on calculate again. Which arrangement you want for the support 2? Tell me. This is your 3 file arrangement. Okay. These circles are the your files. Okay.
Okay.
You can click on OK. So this arrangement is for the support 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now similarly you can select your third support, click on calculate, and here you have to choose support file arrangement 4. It is not compulsory to increase your files for your every support. Okay,
Yes.
here I am choosing the different ones because I show you that you can choose like this the other arrangements also. Okay,
Okay.
so if you going for a two file arrangement, you can choose all the supports as two file arrangement. Okay,
Okay.
so for 4 you again choose three file arrangement. Okay, and for support 5 choose 4 file arrangement, right? So can we go for a 5 supports only for design? Similarly, you can assign a file arrangement for the each and every support one by one. Understood?
Yes.
So from here, go to the design button and click on yes. What happened? Run again. Create the delete job and go to the new job. Give name as the file tab. Choose from here as the file tab. Indian design code. SI into create job. This is the design parameter. Okay. File arrangement. Two. Choose support 2. And file arrangement is 3. Choose file 3. Calculate. Choose for arrangement. Generate for 4. Calculate. 3 file arrangement case 2. Choose 5 arrangement and choose case number 2 for the right, and click on design and yes. So dear, this is your file cap design. Okay, file cap design for the P1 means putting 1, putting 2, putting 3, putting 4, putting 5. We have considered only the 5 supports. Yes or no?
Yes.
So go for this is your column dimensions. This is your traditional dimensions. This is your file cap geometry data, file geometry data, and this is your file capacity, material properties, concrete cover, and this is the file cap design calculation. This is your file cap thickness. See, this is your calculation for the movement. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is the check for the one-way shear. इसने ऑब्जर्व किया यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन फॉर द मिनिमम बार साइज. This is hand shape and selection of reinforcement. So selection of reinforcement. This is your spacing. This is your minimum allowable spacing allowed, right? And this is the file arrangement for the file 2. Okay, dear. So this is the
Yes.
calculation for the first file arrangement, and this is the file for 2. This is also safe. See here, safe. See here, right? For the safe. Now you can see the drawing also. You can click on the detailed and scheduled drawings. This is your detailed drawing. For the footing one. For footing one, we choose only two pile arrangement. Yes. Here we have two pile arrangement. This is your piles. This is your pile cap for 1 meter and 2.50 meter. This is your elevation. This is your pile dia. Okay, dear.
Okay.
Now this is your cover, and this is your pile thickness, pile cap thickness, and this is your bars, 16 dia at 175 mm, and 0.07 embedded in your pile cap, and this is your transverse, 12 dia and 180 mm center to center. It means this distance is what? 180 mm. And this is your pedestal height, 1 meter. Yes, dear. And this is your top view for the pile footing 1. You can choose a footing 2 also. Footing 2 is 3 pile arrangement, and this is the drawing for the 3 pile arrangement also. Yes, dear. Similarly, you can see the 3 pile arrangement for footing number 3, which have 4 pile arrangement. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you can also for 4, which have the 3 pile arrangement, and 5 is also a 2 pile arrangement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the or footing, pile cap footing.
Yes.
So for this, we can't create the scheduled drawing for the pile cap. Okay.
Yes.
This is only available for the isolated footing and the combined footing only. This is your there is no GA drawings also, and calculation sheet we already discussed. So this is all about the isolated footing. Sorry, pile cap footing. Okay, dear.